audience for my science experiment. I've got 4 audience members today. And I will be conducting 2 different experiments previously done by Steve Spangler. The first one is going to be called Oozing Pumpkin. Generally, you would do this one more around Halloween, but I like it so much that I'm going to do it for you guys today, even though it's past Halloween. So basically what's going to happen is I'm going to combine yeast and water, and the yeast is going to be a catalyst when I combine it with some hydrogen peroxide mixed with some soap. And what it's going to do is it's going to cause some foaming. And basically what's going to happen is the oxygen molecules that come from the combination will mix with the soap, and that's what will create the foam. And it'll actually become warm as well, because the oxygen and the water molecules, when they combine, or when they break apart, excuse me, will create a warm feeling. So the ooze that you'll be seeing would be warm if you could feel it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some hydrogen peroxide in this cup. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit more. Then the next step is I'm just going to put a drop of dish soap in there, not too much. And I'm going to put in some food coloring just to add some color to the ooze, so that when it comes out you can clearly see it. Okay? And I'm going to go ahead and stir it. And I'm going to place this part in the pumpkin. Okay? Then in this cup I'm going to put some water in here. This water is warm so that it combines with the yeast the best. And then I'm going to put a whole package of this active yeast in there, and then I will stir this as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pour the yeast, which again is the catalyst. I'm going to pour it in the pumpkin, into the other cup, and then I'm going to close it so that we can see it. And so you can see there that there is our oozing pumpkin. Okay? So, there's that one. It, over time, it kind of starts to spew out kind of like that. Okay? So the next one that we're going to do is the famous Diet Coke and Mentos geyser. Specifically for this one, more so than the other one, I'm actually wearing my own version of a lab coat and safety glasses, because when you're doing science, you want to make sure that you're protected, not just your eyes, but also your clothing. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put a pack of Mentos into my handy-dandy geyser tube, and then once I put them all in here, I'm going to drop them into the Diet Coke, and the gelatin and the gum arabic that's in the Mentos will break the surface tension of the soda, and then also the gas will be released when it's opened, and as the Mentos go to the bottom, they're going to cause the liquid to spray up. So what we're going to see is a fun little Diet Coke geyser. And after I drop in the Mentos, I'm going to run away because it's kind of fun, but I don't really want to get a Diet Coke shower tonight, because it's already pretty cold out here. It's less than 10 degrees up here in Bailey. It is snowing, and so when is a better time to do science than when it's snowing in Bailey? So, okay. One more. Alright. Alright, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh. And that's my experiments. So go ahead and take a look at my audience one more time as they applaud. And thank you.